All right, so special thanks to LEPOWER for sending us their LED floor lamp. This is the front of the box here. The side just has their sticker, adjustable brightness, 3000 to 6000 K color temperature, adjustable gooseneck, 20, 40, and 60-minute timer. Same picture here. Over here features ultra stable base, eye carrying LED, touch control, and memory function. So nothing on the bottom, just their logo on top. So slide this out of the box, take a look at it, and then we'll set it up and show you. Ooh, very nice. I've never seen a warning like that. I'm gonna slide it out this way. That's it for in there. So it looks like we have a nice little instruction manual telling us exactly how to put it all together. So you can follow those steps. It looks pretty simple. Looks like we have, oh, the poles are like pre-wired. Okay, so it's all one piece. That makes it a little easier. All right, so this is the actual light. So over here, there's a little proprietary plug for power. This is your power adapter, the other end of that plug. So you just plug this into the wall. And then on the other side, nicely taped in, is the base. And then, wow, that does have some weight to it. And so that's it for this. So now we will screw all of this together and then we'll show you how it works. So you touch the button and bada bing. The whole room is lit up off of this one, woo, pretty bright LED light. So you could angle it down like this. This would have been great back in the day when I made all my top-down shots on the floor. It would have gave me a ton of light. So actually, if anything, I might should keep it to give me light. This thing would really brighten up the room. Over here, you have a few controls, so you can hit the mode. As you see, that kind of changed the light a little bit, goes to those different colors. I like the bright white. And then you can, of course, control the brightness. And I love that it actually shows the brightness there. That, see, like way down, all the way up, that is cool. This is, of course, power button for on and off, and you can do a timer. So that's 1, 2, and 3 on the timer settings. Super, super bright though. Really a truly amazing LED lamp. So thanks again to LEPOWER for sending this to us. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.